Hello and welcome everyone. Our today's question is ancestors in a binary tree. So we have given a binary tree and an integer target. So we have to find all the ancestors in a binary tree. So what is an ancestor? Ancestor means parent, grandparent. So we have to return all the ancestors. So suppose target is 7. So in its ancestor is 4, 2 and 1. So we have to return this in a list, and suppose target is 1. So its parent or grandparent, so means ancestor, is not there, so we have to return empty list. So one thing to note here is we don't have to return the target node. Suppose target node in this case is 7, so 7 is not there, so grandparent or parents, so means ancestors, is not there, so we have to return an empty list. So let's build the approach. So suppose we have this case and we have to return an list. So we maintain answer list or ancestors list. So ancestors, initially it is empty. So first check, is this node, is the root node, is it target node? So root value is target value. So in this case it is not. So first we include the current node into our list. So this can be ancestors of any node. So first add this node. So we will add like this, ancestors dot add. So we will add on the 0th index. So 0th index, the current node. So node dot data or value. So we'll add like this. Next, go to the left hand side or go to the right hand side. So first we go to this node, the left hand side. So check, is this the target node? No, it is not. So add this node. So this node can be the ancestor node. So then first go to left hand side. Is this the target node? No, it is not. So add this node. So this can be the ancestor node. So then go to the left hand side. Is this the target node? Yes, if this is the target node, so we will return true, means target is found. So if target, we have found the target node, so the list we have made till now is our answer list or ancestor list. So we will return this node. So let's change the test case now. Suppose the answer is 6 now. So we have reached till here. So then we have moved here. So is this the target node? No, it is not. So we'll add this node. So then check left hand side. So left hand side is null. So left hand side is null. So we will just return this node. So we will return from here. So then we will go to right hand side. So it is also null. So we will return from here. So we have reached this node, and this node is not the target node. This node is not the ancestor node and also the target node. So we will return from the starting node. So we have added this node into the starting. So we will remove this node. So we have moved left hand side. So now it's time for right hand side. Right hand side is null. So we will remove this node. So this node is also not an ancestor node. So we will remove 0th index from the ancestors. So we have checked this node and go to the left hand side. It's time for right hand side. So is this the ancestor? This can be a target node. So this is not the target node, but this can be the ancestor node. So we will add this node and we will move to left hand side. It is null. We will move to right hand side. It is null. So this node cannot be the ancestor node. So we will remove this node, remove 0th index, and this node cannot be the ancestor. So we have checked the subtree and we have not found the target node. So we will remove the 0th index. Then we go to right hand side. So is 3 the target node? No, it is not, but this can be the ancestor. So we'll add this node. Then we'll move here 6. Is this the target node? Yes, it is, and the ancestor node is our answer. So that's the approach. we will maintain a answer list or ancestors list, and we will check means we will found, so it will return us boolean. Is the current node a target node? So if it is, then we will return true. If the root is null, means we have not found the target node, so we will return false. So let's code it up. So we have ancestor list, and this function will help us to find the ancestors. So at the end we have to return the ancestors. So we have this function and a boolean. If root is null, means target node is not found, return false. If target node is found, return true. So first, firstly we have to add this ancestor node because this can be the ancestor. So then go to left hand side. If while going to left hand side, if target node is found, return true, means this ancestor or this current node is the ancestor node. So then go to right hand side, same for right hand side, and we have checked the left hand side, we have checked the right hand side, and our target node is not found, means this current node is not the ancestor, so we have to return from the list. So remove from the list, and we also have to return, means our target node is not found, so we have to return false. So let's submit this code. If you are watching till now, a click on the subscribe button is appreciated, and this solution will work just fine. Let's wait. And as you can see, this solution is submitted, and thank you all for watching this video.